Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to register a business on TikTok. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the TikTok app on your phone and open it. Once you are in, from the bottom right side, tap on the profile icon to open your profile page. From the top right side, tap on the three lines, and from this bottom menu, tap on settings and privacy. Here, tap on privacy. You can see that my account is already private. Toggle off to remove account privacy and tap on switch. Now let's go back to the settings menu and open account settings. From here, tap on switch to business account. Read the following prompts and tap next to move to the category page. Here, select a category from this list related to your business and tap on next. You can add an email address or skip it, and also update your account bio. And here is the registration now option. Tap on it to start the process. Read the following instructions carefully and tap on get started. Here you need to enter your business legal name, your country and current location. You also need to enter your business license ID, which is necessary, and then finally tap on next. TikTok will review your details and finally your business will be registered. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.